Start this exercise by rolling the bar close to you or walking up to the bar. You don't want it to be too far away. That will put a lot of stress on your low back. We will be doing underhand, so palms up, and then your hands should be just outside your legs, shoulder width apart. I suggest that you start standing first, roll those shoulders back, engage that core, stick that butt back, and then begin rowing. That will make sure that everything is in proper engagement and that you're not going to hurt your low back. We're going to be pulling the barbell into our belly button towards your hips. So you'll notice that it's not going towards my rib cage or my chest. I'm pulling it back into my hips. That's going to engage your lower back. If you feel a lot of pressure in your low back when you're starting this exercise, you might not have the hip mobility to bend all the way to the floor and grab your barbell. So go ahead and place the barbell on a bench. Essentially, you're bringing the barbell closer to you, making it easier to start. That's not going to affect the exercise. It's just going to make the beginning a lot easier on your hips and your back. Ideally in this exercise, we do want to be bent over, engaging our lower lats. If we stand up too tall, we're going to be using our upper back. And for females, that's going to be where we carry a lot of our stress, and that can cause a lot of neck pain. So you want to make sure that you're bent over. In this image, you can see on the left that I'm more bent over, and then on the right, I'm using more of my upper back traps, and that's going to engage the neck. So stick that butt back, really engage your core, and bring that chest to the floor.